Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Outlook on a Mac computer in the year 2026. 25 tips to enhance your experience. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as access to the desktop application. We can now start the tutorial. And so the first thing we need to do is locate the application on the Mac computer. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to applications. Let's now search for Microsoft Outlook. Enter to open up the application. This should take us to our desktop application, and make sure that you are signed into the account. And so number 2, we'll be composing a brand new email. Let's now go to the top left corner. Click on new email. This now brings up a window within the email desktop application for us to compile a brand new email. Number 3, let us now select a recipient, which will be the admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Let's now go to subject and type in test. Go within the email and type Dear Admin. Comma, next line. This is a test email. Kind regards. We can press tab to autofill. And now end the email with my name as part of the signature. And Computer Science Videos. If we need to, we can change our signature and make that stand out. But that's all for the latter parts of the video when we come to inserting and creating a new signature. So let's now click on send. And that email itself is within the sent items. Let us now move to number 4. Have you guys ever wondered how you can save an email as a PDF file? That's a very good question. So the only way is to go into the email and go to File, go to Print, or we can use Command and P to print. Let's go to the bottom where it says PDF and save as a PDF. Let's save this as test.pdf directly to the desktop. Click on save. That's now been saved. So we can now quit that email window and go to the desktop where we have test.pdf. Open this up and there we have it. The email has now saved as a PDF file. So we can now quit preview, go back to Outlook, and move on to number 5, which is schedule sending an email. Let's click on new email. Select the admin as a recipient. Subject will be test email again. Go into the email, compile a brand new email, Dear Admin. This is a test email. Kind regards. Tab, comma, new line. My name, then Computer Science Videos. Highlight Computer Science Videos and then turn that to bold. And we can go to the top left corner. Click the arrow pointing towards the bottom of the screen and click on Schedule Send. And we can then select a date that this will be scheduled sent. So let's click on the 13th. We want to then click on a time that we will send this. So let's now click on 12:30 but change that to 32 or 31 and click on OK. So that itself has now been sent and is scheduled to be received as part of the email. We should receive that any minute now. That should have been sent any minute now, and there we have it. Dear admin, this is a test email. Kind regards from ComputerScienceVideos. Let's now attach media to an email. Let's now go back to a new email. Select the recipient, which is admin. We now want to attach file. Browse this Mac. Go to the desktop where we have a screenshot. Click on choose. Let's now go back to attaching a file again. Go to browse this Mac. Let's go to downloads, and there we have a video. Click on choose. Let's now recompile another email. Dear admin, please see the attached media. Kind regards. CSV, let's now click on send. Do you want to send this message without a subject? No, we do not. Continue editing. Let's just say in subject, media. Now click on send. And that email itself has been sent again with the screenshot and the video, which we have double clicked on to open on screen. Let's now quit preview. And number 8 would be to send yourself an email, as the previous was number 6 and 7, sending a video and photo as part of the email. So let's now send ourselves an email. Click on new email. The recipient would be Rayhan@ComputerScienceVideos.com. Subject will be self. Go back into the email and type Dear CSV. This is a test email again. Kind regards. From CSV. Let's now click on send. We should have received an email. Yes, we have. Here is the email on screen. Dear CSV, this is a test email. Kind regards from CSV. Let's now go to number 9, which is creating a brand new signature. Let's go File. Let's go to Outlook and Settings. Let's go to Signatures. We can have a standard signature or sent from Outlook on a Mac, or we can create an actual signature ourselves. So we want to create a signature, which is now called Untitled. We want to rename that signature to, let's just say, CSV. And within the signature, we want to customize the signature itself. We want to insert an image into the signature. Let's now go to a new desktop, go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel, Computer Science Videos, and we see an image on screen, YouTube icon. Let's drag and drop this into the email signature template. Let's go to the top and type kind regards, Computer Science Videos. We can highlight that and change that to bold. And so that signature itself has been created. We can now quit settings. Let's now go to new email. Let us now select the recipient, which will be admin. Subject will be signature. Let's now go into the email itself and type in Dear Admin. Please see my new signature. Below. We then want to click on signature and add the CSV signature that was created and now that has replaced the previous default signature. So we can therefore send this email to the admin by clicking on send. And that itself has sent to the admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Let's now turn the attention to number 10, which is turning on automatic replies. Let's go to Outlook. Go to settings, automatic replies. We want to send an automatic reply from our inbox. And how do we do that? Let's click on send automatic replies and message for inside your organization. Let's just say, dear customer, I am currently out of office. And shall return to my desk at 9 a.m. on the 15th of June. Kind regards. Your name and signature. I want to then Command A to highlight and Command C to copy and also paste this into the next box, which is the message for outside the organization. We want to also select a time period, which will be from now until 9 a.m. in the morning on the 15th of June. We can also block the calendar for this period. So let's now click on save. And so the out of office message has been turned on. And so if anybody were to, let's just say, email Rayhan at ComputerScienceVideos.com, that message would instantaneously be sent to the individual. So let's now compose a brand new email to myself. Email to self. Dear CSV. This is a test email. Let's now change the signature to CSV. Let's now send that email. Send. And so this is the email that was sent. This is the response that was an automatic reply that says, I'm currently out of the office and shall return to my desk at 9 a.m. on the 15th of June. Kind regards from Computer Science Videos. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.